Hi there, how you doing? Me, living up to my promise to feature a unique and exciting MSME with Twiva for you every single week. My set has been beautifully donated and given to us by Staraab Lounges. And you've noticed, Nakaki Starabu. Okay. Now, you're wondering, what are you holding? I've got to tell you this. So I'm looking at the product, I'm trying to understand what it's all about. And I'm looking, Kana Africa, Kana. And then I look at the back of the product, it says Machakos County. I'm like, okay ba, okay ba. It's not Kana Africa, it's Kana. Kamurakanini, aka small baby, Kana. But sometimes when cow men are tuning you, they'll tell you, Okava Kana. Okay, so this is Kana Africa. Kana Africa makes amazing beauty products for mother and baby, hence Kana, from goat milk. Now, you know me, I never play with you. If you know this about a lot of products come from the Middle East, they're made with goat milk. And there is a reason why those women look the way they do, because this is a science. Goat milk contains certain fatty acids that help repair the skin barrier. That I always knew. But what is also really unique is that there's something about those particular fatty acids that actually gently exfoliate the skin and make it a lot smoother to look at. Okay, now that I've told you that, Kana, I have to say it in Kamba, Africa, makes certain things, lotion and soap and lip balms from goat milk. And also these products are for, like I said, mother and baby, because if you've got eczema, if you've got stretch marks, nappy rash, skin rash, pimples, sunburn, this is the product for you from Machakos County. Have you noticed how I've lit up? I'm like, go in there. Actually, we're not done. The final product I want to feature on this particular video is from a lady I admire greatly. I think she is trailblazing in her own right, and she's stepped out of her comfort zone and created a whole lip care range. It's not lip balm, it's a lip care range. And I hope I'm saying this right, and Kate, don't come for me. Humba, Africa, House of Humba. So, it's not just the balm, which by the way, I ended up buying for myself, Kate, because could you gift a girl? No, you couldn't. Sawatu. You're lucky it's a good product. You really are. She's got an amazing hydrating lip balm. There's also a lip mask. Now, this is important. A lot of you still don't know how to ensure that you're not chapped, and if you don't drink enough water, your mouth is always dry. That lip mask is amazing, and you should do it like towards the end of the day when you're sitting back watching something on TV. And she's got also a scrub, which is a great way to get rid of all the dead skin and make sure that when you finally put on the balm and then your lipstick, you know, you don't end up with the lines up kwa sababu midomo yako imekatika katika. Yes. So those are my two, and I must say, for my two MSMEs of this week with Twiva, I have enjoyed immensely. Not only discovering a product out of Machakos County called Kana Africa, but also being able to tell Kate, you know, actress, well done, because a House of Humba and the entire lip range that she offers is actually special. There's nothing else like it in the market at all. So if you're thinking of gifting, there you go. Have an amazing week, and once again, if you're thinking, when will I get featured? When will you register on the link I've given you? Over to you.